The future is here and AI is changing the game. If you're anything like me, you enjoy making money online. Who doesn't like Wi-Fi bread? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money online using Chat GPT. I'm going to show you guys how you can make up to $25 with just 1 minute of work using Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a word that's been buzzing around for the last couple of months. If you have no idea what Chat GPT is, it's simply just an artificial intelligent chat box. You can look at it like a search engine such as Google, where you'll go on Google and you'll type and ask Google a question, and Google will provide you with, several different links that have information to what you're looking for. When you ask Chat GPT a question, it replies to you using a chat box. You don't necessarily have to go through different links and do all type of research to find information you're looking for. People are using Chat GPT to do their homework, to write books, to write ebooks, to do math calculations, to create vlogs, copywriting. The opportunities are endless with Chat GPT. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a few ways how to use ChatGPT to make money on Fiverr. To use ChatGPT, go to OpenAI.com and come down to ChatGPT and click Try ChatGPT. Before you could actually use ChatGPT, they do want you to sign up for an account. Simply click Sign Up. Once you sign to ChatGPT, it will ask you to enter a phone number and it'll send a code to the phone number. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to access ChatGPT, and here's the chat box down here. And you'll be able to ask any questions you like, and here are some examples. Now that we're familiar with ChatGPT, we know what it is and we know how to use it. Now we can talk about Fiverr. I've been using Fiverr for over 3 years now, and Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance service. I use Fiverr for all my freelance services. Fiverr is very affordable. You can get work done for as little as $5. And the crazy thing is, I placed orders on Fiverr for services that I could have used ChatGPT to done for me. At the time, ChatGPT wasn't available. Some of the things I used Fiverr for previously was copyright, video scripting, and much more. And I'll show you guys example of some things that I use Fiverr for that I could have done easily on ChatGPT. If you don't have a Fiverr account yet, you could sign up for Fiverr using my referral link in the bio. I believe you'll get like 10% off your first order. As you can see, I earned over $3,000 year to date since I've been on Fiverr, and I spent over $1,000 on Fiverr. Here you'll see I have 3 payments being cleared. I believe Fiverr takes 2 to 3 weeks for that payment to clear. For example, let's say you complete an order today for a customer, Fiverr won't pay you out for that order till the next 2 to 3 weeks. So that's the downside of Fiverr, and they do take a 20% cut. So Fiverr is a great way to earn money as a side hustle. I don't recommend doing Fiverr full time because, the competition is massive. You have people overseas that's able to do the same work you're doing for a fraction of the cost. So a lot of time, the customers are going to pick the person that's cheaper. The last couple of days, I had 3 orders. So you can see on March 19, I had an order for $20. Well, actually it was $25, but Fiverr took $5 for their 20% cut. What I sell on Fiverr is a template. So this is something that all I have to do when I get an order, I'll just come on the computer and upload that file and I'm done. This is how I'm able to make $25 on Fiverr with just 1 minute of work. Simply, every time I get an order, I just come to Fiverr, deliver my order, and I just upload that same document over and over. And I've been doing this for about 2 years now. And you could imagine how much more money I could make if I could just add more gigs. And with ChatGPT, that's exactly what I plan on doing. Before I show you guys some gigs that you guys can create on Fiverr to get started, I'm gonna show you some of the gigs on Fiverr that I personally paid for that could have been generated with ChatGPT. First one that I see here is that I paid somebody to write a professional IT resume for me. I actually paid them maybe about $50 because you could combine these two. So I paid about $50, and actually I was even satisfied with the work. I don't even think I used that resume because it didn't look good. So I'm gonna go on ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to write me a resume. Here's a sample of professional IT resume. So this is great. So I would simply just, go through this, fill it out, and then that's it. Another gig that I paid a freelancer for on Fiverr was to create me a script writing for my YouTube. The title of that video was the top 5 stocks to buy in May of 2021. And that's something that I could have asked Chat GPT to do. Let's go ask Chat GPT. Here's the last thing I'm going to show you guys what I paid for on Fiverr that I could have had Chat GPT done for free. I paid for a ad copy for Facebook advertising on Fiverr and paid about $20 for it. This is something that Chat GPT could actually do. So let's ask Chat GPT to write a Facebook ad copy. These are just some examples of some gigs that you can do on Fiverr to make money. As you can see, these are some things that I personally paid for. So just imagine how other people are paying for these type of services on an everyday basis, where you're able to come in and be more efficient because you're able to, do the work in a fraction of the time that other people can get it done because you know about the software called Chat GPT. Well, now that you sign up for your Fiverr account, it's time to create your first gig. And this is going to be pretty simple. You go to My Business, you click Gig, and you just click Create a New Gig. So the first thing you want to do is give it a title. You can look at what other people are using for their title. Let's go to the Writing and Translation and just click Script Writing. Over here, you'll be able to browse and see what other people are doing for theirs. I will research and write engagement script for your YouTube channel. But obviously, you're going to tweak it around. And you just select a category. So automatically Fiverr is going to generate you a suggestion category based off the title, your language, and service type. You want to add some keywords based on your gig so that way whenever buyers are searching, they could find it. What's the purpose of the video? Let's do business, influencer. So save and continue. You could do your pricing. So an idea for the pricing packages look like. Name your package, give it a description. Delivery time is how long do you need before you can deliver that order. And revision are going to be the amount of time that your customer is able to say, hey, I'm not satisfied with this work. Can you fix this? And save and continue. Then you could add a description. So you want to make sure that your description is very well attention grabbing. Chat GPT could actually write you a description for your Fiverr gig. So this is an example. Maybe you want to be more specific on what you do, but this is just something quick. Click save and continue. This question is what your customer will see whenever they place an order. Another important thing you want to do is you want to have a great image. You can also record a video. So whenever your customer or potential client click on your gig, they'll be introduced to a video that they could click and they could have an idea of your experience. You could talk about your background in the industry and, potentially talk about why they should go with you. So here you'll be able to get an idea of what you could include. And you can see different packages that they offer and etc. The good thing with using Chat GPT is that you'll be able to charge less of a price, especially when just getting started. You won't be able to charge as much because you're just getting started and you're trying to get as much customers as possible. So I recommend, whatever other people are charging, I'll charge less than that for your services. That way you can get some reviews going. So after you have your gallery selected or a video, you can include document of your type of work. So something I would do, I would include a PDF document of a script that was created already. So that way, your customers have an idea of what you'll be doing. Once you have that gallery added, you'll be able to publish your work. Fiverr is a great way to make money. With ChatGPT, it is going to be easy to get these gigs finished, but the thing about Fiverr is the competition. Here you can see there's 8,000 services available in the script writing industry. So there's 8,000 people doing the same thing that you're doing, same thing that you're offering. So, it's going to be a challenge to get consistent orders, but it is possible because I personally use Fiverr and I do get orders. Do I get orders every day? No, but I do get orders, and that's why I said, this is something that you're gonna do as a side hustle. When I get orders, all I have to do is come on the computer and upload a file. For the people that stick around till the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a list of gigs that you can create now and start making money on Fiverr. Earlier in this video, I talked about some of the gigs that I personally paid for on Fiverr, and those were to create me an IT resume. That's something that you guys could also offer. And it don't have to be IT. They'll tell you what type of resume you need, and you'll just ask ChatGPT to produce that resume. I paid for Facebook ad copy. That's something that you guys can do. You can do Instagram ad copy, you can do Facebook, you could even do Twitter tweets. Another thing that I paid for was script writing, and this is something big. This is something that ChatGPT does well. That's 3 gigs that you guys can get started with now. Some other things that you guys could do is vlogs. So, you know, there's a lot of vloggers out there that, you know, need new ideas or, you know, need help critiquing or reviewing their vlogs. So another thing that ChatGPT could do is an ebook. You could have it create ebook for your customers. You could have it do hashtag research. Also, I'll show you guys that ChatGPT could do Fiverr description. There's a lot of different ways where you can use ChatGPT on Fiverr. It don't have to be Fiverr. You could sign up to do people homework. You can write people papers. We got a lot of college students. They actually outsource and pay people to do their essays, and that's something that you can actually do. Another thing you guys can actually do is come to Fiverr and go to writing and translation, and I would just go through each one of these and, you know, just see what they're about. For example, a job description, you know, ChatGPT could do that, and email copy, ad copy for sure, and cover letter. These are all things that ChatGPT could do. So I would just spend some time on this section and, you know, see what's out there and create some gigs based on what's out there. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys found this video to be informal. I hope you guys take action from this video. If you guys found this video to be informal, please leave me a comment, like this video, and subscribe to the channel.